Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to manage all user accounts in the system. End users and agents can be managed in Menu, Users. All Users list shows all accounts, active and not active, in your community. At the top, you can find options to filter, sort, or group users on the go. Or you can edit the default list to segment users based on specific criteria, custom fields, tags, permissions, etc. Just click Edit under Options and set a number of conditions. Let's show newly registered users for the current month. Hit Run for getting one-time results. This list can be exported to Excel or CSV file under Options. If you just started using our software, you may need to upload the current client base from your previous system. You can use the Import option and add users to UseResponse from CSV file. In UseResponse, all users are organized into teams. A team is a collection of agents or users based on common permissions and access to the system they have. Teams can include either agents or end users. Agents teams are marked with the tie icon. There are 3 default teams that are protected and can't be deleted. Administrators with unlimited permissions in the system. Support agents of your community without access to the administration area and without permissions to manage reports and business hours in the system. And users, all customers' accounts in your Help Center. UseResponse allows creating new custom teams that is useful if you want to control agents' access to customer requests or divide your client base into companies the customers belong to. To manage all teams in the system, select Teams in the left menu, and you'll see Default and Custom Teams in the list. Let's review the example when we have several agents that deliver support to customers from a certain company, cPanel in our case. We need to create the agent team and the team with users from this particular organization. To create a new team, click New Team. Enter the title and decide whether it's an agent or user team. Specify a set of permissions and access rights to the forums in case you organized several community portals. Assign a specific password level to the team. Define the access level to user requests based on agents' functional responsibilities or region location. In our case, we'll provide access only to those requests that are assigned to the cPanel team. Hit Submit to save the changes. Then, you can assign necessary agents to the cPanel team from the list of users or manually from their profiles. Now, we should add a user team and assign cPanel members to it. If you have different SLA agreements with customers, you can select service level policies signed for this specific company. Let's review one more example of the workflow. For example, when requests are submitted by users from cPanel company, they should be assigned automatically to the team who is in charge of cPanel company requests. It's done using Trigger. Go to the administration area, Automation and Notifications, and create the rule that will be launched on new requests submitted by company members and perform automatic assignment to all agents in the cPanel team. Our workflow is set up. You can add as many teams as you need. Besides, with UseResponse, you can override team permissions for a particular member inside the team. You can modify permissions from the list of users or directly in the user profile under Options, Permissions. Thank you for your attention.